Welcome back to your French class. In this class, we will attempt some mixed exercises of article contracté and partitif. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Remplissez avec des articles contractés ou partitifs. Okay. So, voici l'office dash directrice. Directrice, the word is given in its feminine form, directeur, directrice. So, we will write here the la, okay, son of the director or the director's son. Now the B part, tu aimes bien aller dash campagne, means you like going to countryside area. Now campagne is a feminine word and we are talking about going to, so means we are using here contracté, a, la. Tu aimes bien aller à la campagne. You like going to countryside. Now the third one is, il fait dash sport tous les jours, means he does sports every day. So again, sport is a word that is masculine and we will use partitif for this. So we will use the masculine case, du. Il fait du sport tous les jours. He does sports or he plays every day. D part, la fête des fleurs est à Nice, means the festival of flowers, or you can say the flowers festival is in Nice. Okay. So again, fleur is feminine and it is given here in its plural form. So we will write they, because for all the plurals we write they. La fête des fleurs est à Nice, means the flowers festival is in Nice. Okay. Now E part, ils vont suivre dash concert de musique. Now ils vont suivre means they often go to dash concert of music or the music concert. Now we are talking about go to, again we are going to contracté. So we will write O, because concert is written in its plural form. Ils vont suivre au concert de musique. They often go to music concerts. Now the B part, remplissez avec un article contracté ou partitif. Again the same kind of question we are going to attempt. Now the A part, on achète souvent dash glace, means we often buy ice cream. Now we are talking about the quantity of a thing. So we are going to use partitif. So glass is feminine, we will write de la. On achète souvent de la glace. We often buy ice cream or some ice cream. Elle ne peut pas aller dash magasin. She cannot go to the store. Now we are saying to the, it means we will use article contracté and store is masculine. Magasin is masculine. So we will write O. Elle ne peut pas aller au magasin. She cannot go to the store. Now the next one, il y a dash soleil cet après-midi, means there is sun in this afternoon. So there is sun, although sun we don't talk about sun like in quantity, but they use this kind of expressions. So they use for sun they use article partitif and sun is masculine, so du. Il y a du soleil cet après-midi. There is some sun, means sun is there this afternoon. Now the D part, Pauline s'intéresse beaucoup dash sport. Sport word is masculine and here it is written in plural form. So write O, article contracté. Now the next one, veux-tu m'accompagner dash piscine, means do you want to accompany me to the pool. So piscine is feminine word, to the, again we are going to use article contracté. It's a feminine word, so we will write à la. Veux-tu m'accompagner à la piscine? Do you want to accompany me to the pool? Now the third question, complétez avec un article partitif ou contracté. Again the same kind of question we are having. Part A, Les deux chats dash voisins ont disparu. Now either you can say the two cats of the neighbors or the neighbors two cats. Okay. So for showing off the, we need article contracté. So voisin word is feminine, so we'll write de la. Les deux chats de la voisin ont disparu means the neighbor's two cats have disappeared. Now the second one, va dash bibliothèque chercher les livres means go to the library and get or find the books. Now go to the, again we need contracté, to the. Okay. So with bibliothèque, because it is feminine word, we use a la. Go to the library to get or find the books. Now the C part, je vais prendre dash fromage ce soir. Okay. So it means I am going to have cheese this evening, or sometimes ce soir is used for tonight as well. Okay. So fromage is masculine and we are talking about quantity. I am going to take some cheese. So for quantity we need article partitif, and fromage is masculine. I am going to use here du. Je vais prendre du fromage ce soir. I am going to take some cheese this evening. Now the next one. Elle a oublié le nom dash dernier roman de Stephen King. She forgot the name of the last novel of Stephen King, or she forgot the Stephen King's latest novel's name. Okay. So dernier roman, we are talking about here the last novel. Okay. And roman is masculine, so we'll write du. Because of the, we are using article contracté. Elle a oublié le nom du dernier roman de Stephen King. Means she forgot the name of Stephen King's latest novel. Now the next one is j'achète des oignons de bonne qualité dash marché. Means I buy good quality onions from the market. Now from the, again we are using article contracté. We are saying from the. So if you are saying from the, you can use du, and if you are saying in the, I am buying some good quality onions in the market or at the market, then you can use here o as well. Okay. So we will use article contracté. J'achète des oignons de bonne qualité du marché, or au marché means I am buying some good quality onions from the market, or I am buying some good quality onions in the market. So this was all about the exercise. If you have any doubt, any question related to this mixed exercises of article, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.